My pregnancy ended at 27 weeks because of a placental abruption. So Sarah was delivered by C-section, and so she was born 13 weeks early.
We found out in the first week of her life that she developed brain bleeds, and she had actually had an in utero stroke. The damage could be quite severe.
With just gravity in their voice and compassion. I do remember them telling us that according to the scan, that it looked like she had been shot in the head with a gun. And so I think, when I heard that at that moment, I almost didn't hear anything else. It was just everything was slow motion.
So we were kind of given the worst case scenario, which filled us with fear, tested our faith, caused us to wonder what's going to happen, where is this headed. The burden was a lot lighter because of the care we received from the doctors and nurses here at the NICU.
One of the most common pathologies in newborn infants related most of the time to prematurity is the presence of hydrocephalus. This patient was afflicted by this problem and had the necessity to be submitted to a surgical intervention that would allow us to drain spinal fluid from her brain to the abdominal cavity. The purpose of this is to decrease the intracranial pressure of this patient. This is important to be done as soon as possible to decrease the possibility of permanent brain damage.
Whenever we were able to leave the NICU, it was such a joyful experience. I remember doctors were excited, nurses, there were pictures taken, feeling the support of everyone that you have seen day in and day out for all of the days that you have been there. They just are in it with you and they're excited for you.
Miracles happen every day here. It's amazing to see a baby that's not much bigger than a pen when they're born, and when they graduate out of our neonatal intensive care unit and go home with their moms and dads, and they're happy and healthy and are able to lead normal lives. It's something that this ministry has been able to do here in Northeast Louisiana since 1978.
This video illustrates just a small fraction of the precious children that need the services of St. Francis Medical Center in Northeast Louisiana. Thank you, St. Francis Medical Center, for being there for our families and for our children every single day.